Welcome to the HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial. This tutorial will primarily be teaching you about how to create a web page. So for example, I have YouTube currently up and we'll be learning how to create a web page such as this. Now there's two things we need to create a web page. One of them you already have, which is the web browser. This tutorial will be using Chrome just because it's hip and all the cool kids are using it. But also the fact that you don't need to install any add-ons to Chrome to go to the examples in this tutorial. The second thing you will need to download is a text editor. This tutorial will be using Edit+, but if you want one that is free, Notepad++ will do a great job, and I highly recommend it. Notepad++ is similar to Edit+ in certain functions, except for after you create a new file, you will choose a syntax to use for color coding everything. I do not recommend using Notepad though. Even Notepad 2 is a better program to use than Notepad is. So let's get started. First we'll create our HTML5 document with the title and some text. I'll write out the complete page, show you what it looks like in Chrome, and then we'll go over everything. So we'll go ahead and save this web page into our web development folder, and you'll save it with the .htm extension. So now we'll go ahead and bring it up in Chrome. You see we got our new page. And then this is what it looks like in Chrome. You see that we have the title, a new web page, and then we also have the text, hello world, just like we see here. Alright, in this document, this is called a tag. It starts with a less than sign and ends with a greater than sign, with the tag name in the middle. Most tags will have a closing tag. So you'll see that this tag also has a less than sign, a greater than sign with the tag name, but it also has a slash at the beginning. Same thing here. This is the beginning tag, and this is the ending tag. The things in between the tags is called data. So this would be data right here, and also this would be data. Our first line is called the doc type. This defines which version of HTML the browser should render the page in. We want the browser to render it as HTML5, so this is the doc type that we would use. This first line is very important on every HTML document. Otherwise, the browser will just guess at how you want the page to be displayed, and it won't be pretty. Now we'll go over the meaning of the other tags in this document. Every HTML page is going to start with an HTML tag. All other tags go inside of this tag. Our head tag would have the title of our web page and any future script or CSS tags. Our body tag is where all of our content will go. So right now the only thing that we have in here is hello world. And so that is what's going to be displayed in the browser. So this concludes the introduction of the HTML5 tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll be going over learning some more tags to be able to turn our web page into a website.